Yay! You're sitting up like a big girl. Uh-oh, don't fall over. This is too cute. You're too cute. Hi! Say yay! What? You see your feet? You found them? What? You don't like that pillow? Is it outdated? Not your style? Hi! I got your toes. I got your toes. Uh-oh. You're about to fall over. I like your hair today. It looks good. Who did that? You see your feet. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi. What's up, baby? Wow. You're so sweet. Can you say bye-bye, camera? What? Okay, see you later, Lila. Mwah. Mwah. Nice drool. Bye-bye. Bye.